Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to export Figma files to Adobe Illustrator using the most efficient 2026 technical methods. This is a mechanical necessity for any professional looking to move their high-end studio designs into a vector-perfect environment for advanced bookkeeping of their 2026 brand assets. Let's get into it. Select and export your Figma assets. The first step is a mechanical necessity to prepare your high-end design for the 2026 technical transition. You must export your work as a vector source. Select the frame or layers you want in Figma and go to the Export panel. Set the format to SVG. In the settings, ensure Include ID attribute is checked to technically preserve your studio layer names. Preserving these IDs is a professional standard. It technically ensures that when the browser converter processes your file, your high-end professional organization remains intact. Next, choose a high-end browser converter. To technically transform your SVG into a native AI file, you must use a reliable online studio tool. Open your browser and navigate to a professional converter like Cloud Convert, SVG Converter, or SVG Maker. Click the Select File button and upload the SVG you just technically exported from Figma. These tools are a mechanical necessity because they technically wrap your SVG data into a PDF-compatible AI container. This candidly saves you the professional effort of manually resaving files inside the Adobe Studio environment. Next, technically configure the AI output. A high-end conversion requires precision. You need to technically define how the converter handles your professional vector paths for your bookkeeping. In the settings, select AI as your destination format. If available, toggle settings for high-quality trace or preserve layers. Click the Convert button. This step is a professional standard. It technically ensures that your high-end market analysis graphics don't lose anchor point data, keeping your 2026 studio work fully editable and sharp. And that's pretty much it. To export Figma files to AI Adobe Illustrator in 2026, export your Figma file as an SVG with IDs included, then upload it to a high-end online converter. Technically select AI as the output. Execute the conversion, and download the final file. Finally, open it in Illustrator to verify your high-end 2026 layers are technically intact. This professional workflow ensures your studio vector transfer is optimized and high-end. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.